guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am super excited about a little dance at the beginning. I am finally putting together my entry table I plan to have in my foyer. Y'all, it's been in my office for 2 weeks now, and yeah, I'm just now getting to it. So as you see, I am opening the box. Once I have it open, I look at the instructions. I look so confused because one, it was no instructions. It was literally pictures. And I don't know why they do that. Like, I need some words or something. But once I started, it was pretty simple. So what I like to do, I like to take out all of my pieces just to make sure I have everything. It tells you how many you should have of what. So that is what I'm doing here. I like to lay everything out before I get started. Once I lay everything out, I go to Instagram, make a quick little video, act like I'm actually doing something. I have to let my people know I'm actually building something. And then after that, I count all of the screws I'm supposed to have. I think it's at 32. So that is what I'm doing there as I'm jamming to music. And then also, what I like about these, they do come with the tool you're supposed to screw it with, so you don't need a screwdriver, hammer, or none of that. It comes with what it needs. Alright, I'm just going to let this video continue as I put this together. Honestly, guys and gals, it was so easy. Like, if I can put this dance together, you can too, because I'm not the handy type of girl. I can be when I want to, but building stuff, I usually have my dad or somebody else come do it for me, but I actually did it on my own. So hope y'all enjoy. unfortunately my camera is gonna die in like the next couple clips. So you guys see that piece I have in my hand now. It's 2 of those gonna go on both sides. Once I screw those together, then I put 3 glass plates in between that. So that is what you're gonna miss, but again, super simple. So here is the final look. I love it so much. I'll be honest, it's not the color I thought. I thought it was going to be a shiny gray, but I love this. Also, I purchased this one on Amazon as well. I just wanted to show y'all real quickly. And this one was also super easy to put together. It literally took like 10 minutes. So, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, share, and just let me know. Let me know what decorations I can put on the table. I like that. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye.